would a Blaziken and Spider-Man hybrid look like? How would a Mewtwo and Doctor Doom fusion look like? How would a Zoroark and Loki fusion look like? How would a Machamp and Hulk fusion look like? How would a Greninja and Black Panther fusion look like? How would a Charizard and Iron Man hybrid look like? How would a Venom and Venom hybrid look like? How would a Lucario and Wolverine hybrid look like? How would a Gardevoir and Black Scarlet Witch fusion look like? How would a Absol and Black Widow Witch fusion look like? How would a Rayquaza and Galactus Witch fusion look like?